Hello.
Hello.
Are you enjoying the beach?
Yes, I am. The beach is very beautiful today. Is this your first time here?
No, it is not. I often come here with my friends. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I really like it. I love the sea and the fresh air. What are you doing here today?
I am relaxing by the sea. I also want to take some pictures. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I do. Swimming is fun and refreshing. Can you swim well?
Yes, I can swim quite well. I learned to swim when I was young. Do you like playing beach games?
Yes, I do. I like playing volleyball and football on the beach. Would you like to play volleyball?
Sure, I would. It sounds like a lot of fun. What is your favorite beach activity?
My favorite activity is swimming. I also enjoy walking along the beach. What do you usually bring to the beach?
I usually bring water and a towel. I also bring my phone and some snacks. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am a little hungry. I would like to eat something soon. Do you like fruit?
Yes, I love fruit. Watermelon is my favorite beach snack. What is your favorite drink?
I like cold orange juice. It tastes great on a hot day. Is the weather nice today?
Yes, it is very nice. The sun is warm and the sky is clear. Do you like taking pictures?
Yes, I do. I like taking pictures of the sea and the sunset. Can you take a picture of me?
Of course I can. Please stand near the palm tree. Wow, this place is even more beautiful than I imagined.
I know, right? I'm so glad we decided to come here.
Me too. I never want to leave this island.
What time do you usually go home?
I usually go home before dark. I like to leave after watching the sunset. Did you have a good time today?
Yes, I had a great time. I really enjoyed talking with you. Would you like to come to the beach again?
Yes, I would love to. We can come again next weekend.
Goodbye.
See you soon.
Goodbye.